Good morning from Mystery Bees. I'm one bee, she's the other bee. It's really early, but today is going to be the hottest day of the year so far at 35 degrees Celsius. Right now it's around 8 o'clock in the morning and it's already 23, 24 and climbing fast.
That's Celsius for anyone who isn't Canadian.
Anyone who isn't American, it's Celsius.
No. It's for Americans too, because they don't know. They can just give a number.
I'll put it up I'll put it in a caption. All right. So, exciting news. Today we're actually able to put on our honey frames. We thought it would be longer, but with all of those bees hatching out from last week, our hives are buzzing and full, and they need somewhere to go. And we're willing to take that honey from them. So today we're going to be applying queen excluders. We're going to be double checking that the bees are making progress on the second brood level, and then we're going to be slapping a brood box on, or a honey box on top.
And we're doing it quickly.
And we're doing it quickly because it's hot. So
very hot.
So I'll be putting the camera so you can see all of the hives, and I'll just give you captions as to what we're talking about afterwards. Don't know what music I'm picking for this yet. Let's see how it goes. And what the orange thing Teresa has there is the spacer for 9 frames. And that's what we're going to be using for the honey stuff. Okay, so there was our whirlwind tour of putting on the honey supers. It's hot. It's really hot. Some of the beehives were cranky. Number 4 especially had little angry eyes. But we have them on. So based on the brood that we saw in each hive last week, which was about 12,000 cap brood per hive, when they hatch this week, we should have full hives, and in theory they should move up into the honey super. We did lure them up with pollen, with their pollen patty, so if they need to feed their young'uns, that's where they got to get it now, to get them used to going up and down through the queen excluder. So this is what we look like after the glamorous beekeeping. Okay, she looks considerably better than I do.
I haven't had coffee yet.
No, we haven't had coffee yet. All right, enough talking. Time for coffee, and have a beautiful day.
Try and be serious, Mom.
I can't be serious. It's not in my DNA.